Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update. One thing that I haven't been very good about doing this pregnancy, so forgive me. I've had a lot going on. I have a lot of videos to film, and yeah, family stuff has come up, so it's kind of been a rough time trying to find time to film. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update. I am currently 15 weeks, 4 days. So yeah, this will be for all of the past weeks and then week 15. So yeah. Anyways, where did we leave off? We left off where I was vomiting everywhere and being sick constantly and all of that stuff. So how am I feeling now? I am feeling a lot better than last time I talked to you guys. I definitely still am a little bit nauseous in the mornings, but I feel like that's like the usual like morning sickness, and then normally I am feeling pretty good throughout the day. I have gotten so much more energy and I've actually wanted food, which is really good. I've wanted water, I have wanted candy, I have wanted to go on walks. I've actually wanted to do things this time, which is nice. Obviously I'm still sick. I've got my occasional really bad mornings. Like yesterday morning, I just like randomly was like, I'm gonna throw up. So yeah, I've been feeling a lot better, but I do still have a really bad back pain, which I've heard is completely normal with twins, when you're carrying twins. Also, I have been experiencing a lot more Braxton Hicks, but I've just been trying to drink as much water as I can so that I don't feel them as much. They're not like painful, but they're just like tight. So I've already explained that to you guys before. That's just what they are, they're tight. What else have I been feeling? Oh, I've been starting to get a lot of headaches, and I normally don't get them very often, but I feel like this time around I've been getting so many like super bad headaches like right before bed, and I feel like if I'm gonna go to sleep, they'll be gone in the morning. But I feel like they're even worse when I wake up in the morning. So I just hurry and eat something, take a little bit of Tylenol if they're really bad, and then drink water and just pray that they go away. And they've been kind of like subsiding a little bit, so that's good. This morning I woke up with a really bad headache, but I took some Tylenol and I'm feeling a little bit better. Didn't take it completely away, but I'm feeling good enough to just like clean the house, do some things, and yeah. So that's been happening. What else? I can definitely tell my stomach is getting a little bit bigger. I had my 15-week checkup this last week and babies are looking good. They're both laying like exactly right on top of each other, like this way across my belly, and their heads are right next to each other. Their bodies are laying next to each other, and I'm always feeling kicks and movement on my right side. That is one thing that I have started to notice the last 2 weeks, definitely, is movement and hiccups and just like all of that stuff. A lot of people don't feel movement until like 18 weeks, but I'm so small that my OB said that it's totally normal to feel it super early on. So I've been feeling the babes kick, and Court's felt them a little bit too, so that's kind of cool. Also, what else? Oh yeah, I've been experiencing some lightning crotch. If you guys have ever experienced that before, it's like so painful. It's like when the baby like kicks, I think, or something, and it just kind of like hits your crotch or something. So it just kind of feels like a lightning bolt. It hurts really bad. I think I told you guys this last time that I was kind of experiencing it, but yeah, I had one really bad episode where I was like, I couldn't even like stand up because I was like in so much pain, but that was over with. I haven't felt it again, so I'm happy about that. Other than that, I feel like I've felt a lot better these last like 2 weeks. Everything prior to these last 2 weeks has been miserable, horrible, all of the above. I really noticed that I was starting to like feel better when a few days ago Hudson was super sick, and I was like noticing, oh my gosh, I haven't even taken medicine in like 3 days. Like, is this the end? But I took medicine yesterday, so yeah, that's, I guess it's not the end, but I feel like it's just kind of like subsiding, which is nice. And I feel like my face is starting to clear up a little bit more. I've been trying to get into a super good routine of washing my face morning and night and trying to get rid of the acne that's been going on my face. And also I've been trying to take really good care of my teeth. Sometimes I'm like really bad about flossing, but I feel like this time I'm trying to like take care of my teeth this time around. So I've been trying to focus on that this last week or so. So anyways, I felt better like getting ready and like all of that. I feel like I've put on makeup more this week than I have my entire pregnancy. So that's good. We took Hudson to the movie theater yesterday and I felt really, really good. I was like, this is a nice day. So anyways, that is pretty much it for this update. I will end this video with a belly shot. It's getting pretty big. The babies, it says on my phone, I guess I'll kind of read on here on the Bump app. It kind of like tells you what the baby, its size is and like all of the things on there. So it says babies are the size of a navel orange. False, my babies are bigger than a navel orange. She did the measurements this week and she was like, the babies look a lot bigger than a navel orange. So the navel orange, it says on here, 4.02 inches, 2.50 ounces. So she says that they're measuring from like my middle finger to my thumb, like almost fully extended. I don't want to flip you guys off, but from there to there. So they're pretty big and I don't know. That's just what she was trying to explain to me. And yeah, so I had my anatomy scan on the 10th of December, and so we'll find out which baby is which. So I'm so excited about that. It says my baby at 15 weeks. You probably can't feel it yet, but baby's squirming a ton. I can feel it. Baby might be even hiccuping in there. I can feel it. Baby's making lots of progress. The joints and limbs can all move now. The average fetus at 15 weeks, I already told you how big it is, blah, blah, blah. Oh, it also says on here nosebleeds, and I've noticed that I've gotten one nosebleed so far. I haven't noticed any swollen gums on here. It says you can experience swollen gums. Haven't felt that. It says my body at 15 weeks. Nosebleeds thanks to increased blood volume and sensitive nasal passage, heartburn, gas, indigestion, and blah, blah, blah. That's pretty much it. Yes, I've gotten heartburn. I've had heartburn already, so nothing new. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that the Bump app says. Babies are a little bit bigger, but we don't know quite yet. Once I have my anatomy scan on the 10th of December, we should know more. I have like heartburn as I'm talking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this baby pregnancy update. I will show you guys my bump right now and then I'll end the video. So yeah, here we go with the bump. Boom. I'm wearing a crop top so that it's easier to show you guys. Backing up the camera. So let me back it up even more. Let's see if I can zoom this out a little bit more. This is the bump. Haven't gotten any stretch marks yet. I can't really tell if my linea nigra thinger or whatever, however you say it, is showing up. Gotten a little bit hairier on my belly. So yeah, no stretch marks, just a lot of veins showing up. Belly button is poking out a little bit more. The belly, the belly, the belly. I don't look like that pregnant from behind, but then it's like pregnant. So the babies are, their heads are right there and their bodies are like laying across here. So that's the belly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.